How to wirelessly transfer files from Android to PC. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to transfer files wirelessly from your Android device over to your PC. First off, you're going to have to open up Google Drive. Once you have your Google Drive open, you can just go ahead and create a new folder. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom right, tap on folder, and then simply name your new folder. I'll just name it Files. Tap on Create. Go inside your folder and then you can just go ahead and click on this plus icon. Now you can upload different files over here. So I'll just head over here and then I can just select my PDF files that I want to upload. I can just go to on this device, select the files, and you should be able to find your different files that you want to upload. For now, I'll just upload these few of these files. Tap on it, select, and then tap on upload. Once you upload these, you can use the same Google account you used to upload these files on your drive, access it via your PC, and there you go. You should be able to access them without any problem. That's basically how you transfer files wirelessly from your Android to PC. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.